Meet the world's largest wild goat, and its horns can grow longer than a human is tall. This is Markhor. With the height 3.5 feet and weight around 110 kilograms, Markhor is the largest goat of the world. The main identity of Markhor is its spiral-shaped horn, which can grow up to 5 feet. Markhor are especially designed for climbing the steep rocky cliffs of Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan and India. Markhor also is the national animal of Pakistan. Markhor have a thick winter coat which keeps their body insulated. It also stores fat in warmer months, which gives them energy during scarcity of food. Their hooves also played an important role in their survival. By looking Markhor, they generally looks aggressive, but in reality they are calm and shy. Subscribe for more wildlife facts.